You won't believe this. My neighbor's house was infested with rats, big ones, small ones, everywhere. But guess what? He wiped them out completely using just one surprising ingredient: Coca-Cola. Yes, you heard that right. This one household drink can get rid of rodents forever if used correctly. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Before we dive into this mind-blowing trick, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to say goodbye to rats for good. Let's jump right in. This is the most powerful way of removing rats and rodents from your house, yard or garden, attics, sheds, and other premises. You will never see rats again if you let them drink this deadly mixture. I guarantee you that if you put it up at night before going to bed, you won't see rats or insects in your home in the morning. You don't have to spend a lot of money for this method because you probably already have all the ingredients at home. Have you ever thought that Coca-Cola can be used for this? This video will be absolutely useful to anyone who fights with these rodents. This natural poison will not harm you or your pets, so you can place it in various places. So why is Coca-Cola the ultimate rat eliminator? It's all about the carbonation. Rats can't burp, which means that once they drink it, the gas builds up inside them, leading to deadly results. But here's the secret. You need to combine it with an irresistible bait mixture. So let's get into how you make this rodent eliminator. Firstly, remember to put gloves on your hands. Mice have an extremely sensitive sense of smell. If you touch traps or baits with your hands, your scent can linger on them and make them suspicious, so mice will avoid them. Wearing gloves reduces this possibility. To start off with, add 2 tablespoons of flour in a dish. Mice like flour because it is tasty and easy to digest. Then add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Since mice can't resist sugar by eating more of the mixture, that means they will have a larger amount of poisonous ingredients, and the poison will work faster and more efficiently. Then add 2 spoons of sesame, flax or hazelnuts, and walnuts. Mice like seeds because they are rich in fat and protein. The smell of sesame and flax attracts them, making the poison bait even more attractive. Finally, add 2 spoons of cement or plaster. Cement and gypsum are almost odorless and tasteless, so mice will not immediately recognize them as dangerous, but will consume them together with other bait ingredients. This is a simple but extremely effective trick. It's best to set this trap at night because that's when rats are most active. Mix this mixture well and spread them on paper plates or other containers, or simply spread them in the corners where you have noticed rat activity behind the furniture, near their nests or along the walls. It is important that they have access to this food. This is where Coca-Cola comes into play. Add another container beside the food. An upside lid of a jar or another little container works well, and pour in some Coca-Cola. Rats can't resist this sweet, bubbly drink. After eating the mixture, they will feel thirsty and immediately drink Coca-Cola. Imagine how effective this combination will be. Are you surprised by how simple this is? Rats have a very different metabolism than ours, and if they can enjoy a meal made of flour, sugar, sesame seeds, flax, and cement, once they drink Coca-Cola, their digestive system will not be able to handle it immediately. The cement will harden quickly and cause fatal damage, while the gases from the Coca-Cola will further worsen their condition. This mixture will help to get rid of mice and rats. And don't keep this genius trick to yourself. Share it with your friends and family so they can finally be rodent-free too. Hit that subscribe button for more smart hacks, and I'll see you in the next video on this simple substance gets rid of mice and rats in seconds.